Welcome to your healing meditation. My name is Natalie Ledwell, and I'm the co-founder of the My Movies movement, and I've helped over 10 million people manifest their dreams. Now, in a few moments, I'm going to walk you through a visualization exercise that's going to help you to align yourself with the unlimited healing energy of the universe. So to begin, find a comfortable position. You could be either seated or laying down, and allow your body to begin to relax. Now, when you're ready, slowly close your eyes and taking a nice deep breath in, breathing in. And as you breathe out, feel all of the tension leaving your body. Again, breathing in and slowly breathing out. Feeling even more relaxed as you're breathing out. And one more time, breathing in and breathing out. And feel that relaxation beginning at the bottom of your feet. And feel like you're stepping into a warm bathtub. And allow the relaxation to spread up over your feet and up to your ankles. Then feel the relaxation rising up above your ankles, up your lower legs to your knees, and continuing up to your thighs. And allow the relaxation to continue to spread throughout your body, rising now to your hips and pelvic area, your stomach and lower back, up to your chest and upper back, up through your arms, and feel that relaxation spread to your hands, and relax the palms of your hands and each finger and your thumbs, and feeling pleasantly warm and heavy and relaxed. Feel your body relaxing further as the area of your collarbones widens and relaxes. Allow your shoulders to ease back slightly. Let your shoulders and your neck relax. And feel the relaxation continue to spread through your chin, the back of your head, your mouth, your cheeks, your nose, your eyes. Feeling your eyelids heavy and relaxed. Notice your eyebrows relaxing, your ears are relaxing, and your forehead. Let that relaxation spread further to the top of your head, and your entire body is now relaxed and calm. And feel the relaxation flowing through your body from your head all the way through to your feet. You can relax even further. Let your spine completely relax. And starting where the top of your spine meets your head, feel the muscles giving up their hold and relaxing. Notice all of the muscles of your back relaxing. And feel this energy flowing throughout your body. Your muscles are totally relaxed. You're feeling warm. It's as that gently moves throughout your entire body. And slowly, mentally scan your body, looking for any remaining tension. And if you notice any tension, focus on that area. Direct that warm relaxation to flow into that area and to carry the tension away. And imagine that the air that you're breathing can cleanse your body and remove your tension. Imagine that each breath relaxes you. And see the tension leaving your body as you exhale. enjoying that feeling of relaxation for a few more moments. And now focus your attention on your body and think about the healing that needs to take place. Create an image in your mind of your current state of being. Imagine the physical ailment that troubles you. It might be pain or illness or injury. It might be something diagnosed, or it may be a problem that you haven't identified yet. Whatever it is that you would like to heal, imagine this problem in your mind right now. Focus on the specific location in your body where this problem is present. You might want to imagine the problem as a dark area and picture the healing as relaxation and light. See the healing light flowing through your body and direct that light towards the dark area. Imagine the healing light flowing and swirling and touching the edges of the dark problem area in your body. Now you might notice small pieces of the dark area being carried away by the healing light, and allow these dark pieces to leave your body. And feeling that health and healing and calm, and see that tension and illness and any problems in your body leaving, and allow that healing light to continue swirling around the dark problem area, and see that area getting smaller. And imagine the dark area completely enveloped by the healing light. And see the light making that dark area lighter and lighter, carrying away anything that is not good for your body. Imagine your immune system working to heal you. Picture the cells that you need going to the places they need to go, working as needed to heal your body. Imagine the light flowing and coursing through your body. Picture your body entirely filled with this healing light. And see this place becoming healed, becoming lighter, and carrying away any discomfort. Allow your body to heal. And taking a cleansing breath in and breathing in. And as you breathe out anything that your body does not need. Again, breathing in, cleansing new air, and breathing out old, stale air you no longer need. Just relax for a few moments and imagine the healing process that's going on inside your body. Feeling confident in your body's ability to heal. Feeling calm and feeling at peace. And now placing your hands on your heart and say in your mind after me, I am grateful for my perfect health. Healing is compassion and kindness to my mind, body, and soul. My wonderful body is an expression of complete health. Every cell in my body vibrates with energy and vitality. Now remember, you can always return to your natural healing energy as it lives inside of you. So slowly taking a deep breath in, breathing in, and as you're breathing out, Slowly wiggling your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Now again, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day. Bye for now.